to my channel. As you guys can see, I just wake up. It's like what time? After 10 to 11. And Jamaican people give time and ask me like, what's the time? Then I get the exact time and I'm always tell you. And that's really command is to tell you all good morning. Come on, look ratchet. But this is the real side of me, you know? Because who wake up look like Barbie doll or whatever. So I come out on bed very soon and look some food. As per usual, tired of the place so I don't know what I really have planned today, but we'll just go with the flow, don't you? I hope you guys having a good day thus far. And so I get upon freshen up self and so, and I'll speak to you guys in the next part. Alright. So the must I say I'm gonna love one spot, so one spot. Yeah. There I have breakfast, curry, fish, and fried rice. You know, I'm sure. Although some people are messing with Snapchat and I say off. In time of vlog, it always make them hungry. Yeah, so let's just indulge in this right now. So I'll talk to y'all soon. You guys, I just come out of my house from morning. Seriously, you know? I just come out of my house from morning. I go for the shop. Go buy something. So I'm reaching. I'm practically almost reached. So I'm reach in, I come back to y'all. And you guys see what I'm buying and so. Bun. And a chocolate butter kiss. So, what is? Yeah, I just get one more until I love one. Come, I'll go back home. And continue and write down the number then. I'm more asleep though, but whatever. Oh, I can't leave my grandmother because she go she wants to go supermarket and she buy something for me. She love me, always buy things for me. So I wonder what she buy if I party or ice cream. I don't know. We'll go see. So yeah, she bought me a Kit Kat. I love Kit Kat. Y'all like Kit Kat? Let me know in the comments. So my chocolate with a kiss, my lollipop, I'm a Kit Kat, but so I love this one, I have this one first. My man downstairs cut the grass. You hear the smell of grass and something, I go back inside. So freedom of puppies.
Hey, take this one. No, that is how people make it. Take pictures of the bus and video things.
So the puppy them alright now because I'm getting some milk.
Are you in a movie making?
Yeah, vlogging. Say hi again, Mom. You can't just wave. So I'll chill with the puppy them. If you guys want a puppy, let me know. Must be in the Kingston area. Yeah. But if you can't travel for it, sure.
Your hair needs doing.
I'm gonna do your hair. Me do mine. Yes, you guys. Today is called Chefing Up with Peter Gay. Today we'll cut up the older chicken here. And then we'll put in another container here. And we must season up with the seasoning we have. So, we want to know if cut up all the chicken, may I teach you. You have to know pen and paper and write down them steps here and them notes here. You ready? Alright. First of all, you guys going to have one sharp knife and have one meat board. I have a vegetable board different from a meat board. So, right now, may I cut off the wing first. Going on the joints. So it'll be easier. simple because we get right in the joints. That's where we need to always get when we're cutting up the chicken. The next side. See how easy it was? Now we'll go for the inside now. So I have a section out right here, so go right this way. So get a knife, alright, and just break it. So basically you're trying to do this in half, so you can just simply like this. See? Then you cut this like this. And put this down somewhere. Some of it in one pot, and this you have to do in cut pieces. So right here, so now you cut this in half fully now. Every time you cut it, try widen it out and so. It's a little bit frozen though, but can't work with it. See you guys? I finally get it separate. So now I take off the skin of the chicken. Open the can, so what am I doing now? So stretch the skin and cut. Don't rip the skin or tear it. Just hold it and using a sharp knife, you can simply cut. See? Simple. I'll fix the camera properly. Yeah. So now look at this. Now we cut this in half now. The two breasts down, see, and then to get two out of it, you go like this now. And use a finger and push through. See? Then cut it in half. First of all, nobody don't eat a big piece of meat like this in your plate. So you just cut it in half again. Simple. I'll cut this in half. Or this would be easier by just cut it in half and then just section out the in half. If you guys understand what I mean. Simple. So now this piece now cut in half again. Because you don't want a big chunk of meat. Then clean out, we're supposed to clean out, but then we want to wash it off again. So it's basically icing here. Okay, ice. And for the back part now, we cut it in half. Remove the skin if you guys want. We'll cut this in half. clean out the inner layer. Season with some black pepper, some garlic powder, some Maggi all-purpose salt, seasoning and them something there. So when I finish seasoning it, I get back to you. Yes, you guys, I finished seasoning the chicken how I want it. Now I want to just put it in the fridge because I'm not to cook it today. So whenever I'm ready to cook chicken, it's already seasoned up and you season to the bone or whatever. So now I'm just gonna put it in the fridge now. See? All the seasoning. And you can see all the juice already. So yes, you guys. So that's the way how I prepare my chicken and season my chicken. But some more seasoning if you go in there, I'm just use what I have. So whenever I'm go buy there's a seasoning them I add to it. But now it is in the freezer. You don't put it in the freezer and not in the fridge. So whenever I'm ready to eat now, I'm just take it out, fry it, whatever I want to do with it. That's why I'm not really put enough seasoning because I don't really know what I'm gonna do to it yet. So you know them way there. So now I go around the road. I go around the road now and then I'm come back. Might talk to you guys, okay? Alright. You guys, I'm currently having dinner right now. This time I'm having cooked food, which is shrimp and chow and fried rice. So that's pretty job. Talk to you when I'm finished. I'm going on Snapchat in the meanwhile. That's why you guys should add me on Snapchat. I done eat my dinner all long ago. I mean I edit. I'm realized I never end the vlog. I'm gonna bloom. I'm gonna end the vlog. Only time I do that I eat I dip on the road I never get for end the real way. But I do home some more end the real way. But before I end the vlog I have to give my post notification to Miss Jewel B TV. In the vlog one named Boston Jerk Pork. You said your vlog always make me so damn happy. You're a true entertainer, boo. XOXO. My girl, stop it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And my next post notification shout out goes to Beautiful Beauty. In the vlog, what name titled How to Cook Mackerel. You said, when the dumpling there, can't enjoy it without none. So she talked about the mackerel. Because if you guys did watch the vlog, me make with banana mackerel and banana alone. Me too lazy for make no dumpling. That's hence I'm never make none. So if you guys want to post notification shout out like the other girls who got it and anybody else, you have to be subscribed to my channel, like my videos, comment below and subscribe, share it with your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend. Simple. And thanks for everybody who have been supporting me throughout the year, last year and this year. and still supporting. I really appreciate it. Not to worry, more vlogs coming soon, and I'll see you in tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's upload. Bye, you guys. And I said, add me on Snapchat. I'm always on Snapchat. Be free to message me on Snapchat, Twitter. All my social links are below, so just add me up on so. And keep in mind that I have a Facebook page. Go and like it and stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next upload. The same day I watch this, the same day me I edit this, and the same day I vlog it. So it's so much what me I do for now. I really love it. So later and good night. Peace.